Hello, today I will show you how to install GitHub on Windows in 2021. After that we will download and run a clean virus called MEMZ Clean Virus. Let's get started. First open the website, link in the description. Then download Git. Just leave these ones on default settings. This is very important now. You have to use the third setting. The others can be leave as default. If you are here, congratulations, we can open the Git command window. Open the command tool git bash. Now cd into the directory where you want to place the clean virus. You have to use your username instead of alias Cerne. The last step is to git clone it. Use the command in the description. This is looking a little bit like Kali Linux. If you know, you know. Click on the directory you just made. Click on the batch file. The antivirus defender will pop up because it thinks that this is a bad file, but it is not. Open virus and protection. Allow the system to open the file by clicking on the round thing. Then you have to submit that by clicking on Start Actions. You can now easily open the batch file. Nice, we are done. I will show you now that the clean virus is funny. Thanks for watching, I hope we will hear you soon.